Thinking about moving your family to the Charlotte area? You're not alone. The greater Charlotte region has become one of the most popular places for families to relocate in the entire country. And today, I'm breaking down the top 5 reasons why families fall in love with living here. Hey everyone, I'm Victoria, and I help families buy and sell homes all across the greater Charlotte region, from the heart of Uptown to the suburbs, the lakes, and even the South Carolina side. If you're researching a move or trying to figure out which Charlotte area town best fits your family, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my neighborhood tours and relocation guides. Reason number 1, Charlotte has so many different places to live, and they all fit different lifestyles. If you want walkable, in-town neighborhoods with charm and tree-lined streets, places like Dilworth, Plaza Midwood, Myers Park, and South End give you that right in the action feel. If you want classic family-friendly suburbs, Charlotte has tons of them across both states, like Huntersville, Cornelius, Mint Hill, Gastonia, Mount Holly. And on the South Carolina side, we have Fort Mill, Tega Cay, Indian Land, Rock Hill. If you're looking for bigger lots and a quieter setting, you'll find beautiful communities in Wesley Chapel, Marvin, Weddington, Waxhaw, Troutman, and Denver. If lake life is your dream, families absolutely love living near Lake Norman, Lake Wylie, and Mountain Island Lake. No matter what lifestyle you're looking for, whether it's small town, suburban, lake living, or walkable city, the Charlotte region genuinely has it. Reason number 2, strong schools and tons of educational options. The Charlotte metro area gives families choices from public, charter, magnet, private, STEM-focused, art-focused, Montessori, you name it. Between Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools, Union County Public Schools, Cabarrus County, Iredell, Statesville, and Gaston, and you also have South Carolina schools, including Fort Mill, Clover, Rock Hill, and Lancaster County. Families can really prioritize what matters most. If you're relocating, this variety makes the transition feel a whole lot smoother because there truly is something for everyone. Reason number 3, endless family activities, indoors and outdoors, all year long. Charlotte is one of those places where you can stay busy without even trying. We've got Carowinds, the U.S. National Whitewater Center, Discovery Place, Children's Museums, Minor League Baseball, the Charlotte Knights, Charlotte FC, the Panthers, and the Hornets, with endless greenways, playgrounds, water parks, splash pads, and even kid-friendly events. We've got surrounding towns that host festivals and parades constantly, including Matthews, Lake Wylie, Fort Mill's Strawberry Festival, Gastonia, or Davidson's Christmas in Davidson. So many options. No matter where you end up in the metro area, you'll never run out of things to do as a family. Reason number 4, beautiful weather and an outdoor-friendly lifestyle. Families love that you get 4 seasons here without the extremes. You can enjoy being outside most of the year. From the lakes to Crowder's Mountain, the greenway systems, bike trails in places like Davidson, Fort Mill, to neighborhood pools and parks. Being active outdoors is a huge part of life here. And yes, it does get very hot here in the summer, but that's what those pools and lakes are for. Reason number 5, a strong job market paired with a more affordable lifestyle compared to other metro areas. The Charlotte region attracts families from the Northeast, Midwest, West Coast, and Florida because you can have an incredible quality of life without paying the price of a big crowded city. We're a major hub for banking, healthcare, logistics, finance, tech, and remote work. Jobs are here and opportunity is here. And families love that they can get more house, shorter commutes, and a calmer pace without having to sacrifice career growth. So those are the top 5 reasons families love living in the Charlotte region. And trust me, there are lots more. Every family I work with says they feel at home much faster than they expected, no matter which city or suburb they choose. If you're thinking about relocating, trying to figure out which Charlotte area town fits your family best, or you want to understand the differences between the North Carolina and South Carolina suburbs, I'd love to help guide you through it. Send me a message, check the description for ways to reach me, or drop a comment with where you're thinking of moving. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Charlotte videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.